Welcome back. In this video we will write a C program to search a value in an array, or we can say a program for linear search. So what is a linear search and how it works? I have discussed it in the video titled as what is linear search in the playlist called data structure. So you can find out the playlist in my YouTube channel and also access the video from the I button above. I will provide the link there. And yeah, let's start with the actual code part. So I have an array having 5 elements. You can see here the name of array is my array and it is having 5 elements and the values are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now let me declare one variable int value to be search. What we want to search, I am declaring it as value to be search, and let me search for 25 and one more variable to loop through the array which is called as counter in this case. So let's write the actual logic for linear search. Counter equals to 0 to counter, and size of array is 5 counter plus plus. And if we find out that the element at any index is equals to the value to be searched, which is value to be searched, then we will print percentage d found at percentage d. We found the element at percentage d position. It means that 25 found at any position in which it was occurring in the array. So first is for value to be searched and the second is for percentage d, which is equals to counter plus 1, and then I will break out the loop. And yeah, that's the code for linear search. I think it will work. Let's run it. Okay, I haven't, because 25 is not in the array, that's why it's not printing. Let me change it to 20 and run it. Yeah, 20 found it position 2. I will write it as at position 2. Let's run it once more. And yeah, 20 found at position 2. What if in the case element is not found, then what we will write? So we can do one thing. We can have a variable called as flag, which will be equals to 0, and if we find out that the element is in the array, then we will set flag equals to 1. And after the for loop, if flag is still equals to 0, then we can say that printf element not found. We can copy this line as it is and write it here, and let's erase the unnecessary part from it. Not found. Let's run it now, and let's change the value from something which is not in the array, which is 25. We can see that 25 is not in the array, so it will print 25 not found. Let's run it. Yeah, 25 not found. Let's do it with some more values like 65 and run it. You can see that 64 not found is printing. Let's do one last time also. Let us search for 50 and let's run the code, and you see 50 found at position 5. Let's count the position of 50. 1, 2, this is 1, this is second position, this is third position, this is fourth position, and 50 is at fifth position. So our code is working fine. So that's it on linear search. We will write some more code in the next video. Until then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you very much.